How to read text files with Python without actually opening them. Firstly, open up Python idle, then type in while true. This will keep the program running forever. Then we could use the try except method. It is like try and catch methods in C# and for in case the program did not get the response that it was expecting, it will print out an error message. Below the try section, declare the input variable. This will keep the input response into a variable. Then on the bottom type in with open brackets files name, r as rc. This will put the reading function into a variable rc once the file has been opened. I would like to also print the name of the file, so type in print rc.name. In the bottom type the contents equals to rc.read brackets 1000. It will contain several lines worth of content in the variables. But feel free to use more than 100. Then at last, type in print brackets content, end equals to left bracket n. This will print out the text and create new lines for every line created. Now we can test it out. Just a word of warning: the file reading only works for the files that are in the same directory, so this can be convenient to use in a hectic directory where you have so many text files but less computer power to open it. It works. I have hoped you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you love this type of content, and bye.